Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to free Starbucks drink or treat on your birthday? Here's how to claim yours using the Starbucks app. First of all, join Starbucks Rewards at least 7 days before your birthday. Download the Starbucks app and create an account. Enter your name, email, and birthday. If your account is less than a week old, you won't qualify. Next, make a make at least one purchase of $1 or more before your birthday. Pay with your Starbucks app or registered card to earn stars. Gift cards and alcoholic drinks don't count. On your birthday, open the Starbucks app and check for your birthday reward. Order a handcrafted drink, food item, or bottled beverage. Scan your app barcode at checkout. Your treat, your treat is completely free. And that's it. Enjoy your free Starbucks birthday treat. You deserve it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.